Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use clear burst for action shots on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. To do that, you just have to open the camera application on your device, then face the camera of your device to the object that you want to shoot with your camera, and hold down the shutter button for as long as you wish, but the limit is 50 images. And now if we go to the gallery, we'll be able to scroll through the images to select the ones that we want to save and the ones that we want to remove. And if you go right here, you'll be able to see all the photos that we took. And as you can see, not only it creates a set of images, but it also removes the blur from the images that we take in, so that we have more options to choose from. And it uses AI to remove the blur. So as you can see, and from what you could have seen, I moved the camera while taking these photos, but no photo looks blurred. So to save the ones that you like, just hit the checkbox next to them and tap export, and select export to selected photos, and here they are. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.